Change my name again. Let's see, who will I be today? I'll be little Larry Lonely, who gave his heart away. I love you. Since you left me here, I'm acting awful strange. Even my folks can tell I've changed my name again. Who could help but notice how I feel? Now I'm little Tommy Teardrop, who cries up on the hill. Oh, you'll be coming back to me, and I will try best to tell myself that you love me. You don't love all the rest. I love you. Now you are back with me, and I'm so glad you're home. Everything will be okay. You're back where